Today I'm going to be reviewing this 16 Pro Max case. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box now so I could go ahead and show you what the case looks like. All right, so taking it out of the box here. So first impressions, this is a frosted style case. Take a look. It is not a clear case. It's a frosted case. So right here, it does have a window cooling design. So as you can see, it has a little hole right here and a little hole up here. On the bottom here, it does have the holes here for the speakers and the charging port. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the edges now. As you can see, this is the on and off switch. Has a nice cover. It is like an orange and a black color. Here it is a plastic cover on the side. It has this right here. So it's actually an actual button. So this is going to go ahead and help you control your phone. And then this right here is exposed. Now on the camera side, take a look. It does have that little bumper going around the camera. So it's going to go ahead and give your phone that extra coverage. Now this phone case is a magnetic safe phone case, so take a look. It is a nice and slim design, so it's not too bulky. I do like that. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out on my phone. So overall, if you're looking for a good quality case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, then definitely check this one out.